Okay, well, it's been another half hour, so let's give it a little test here. Oh no. Get my hands wet here. So let's see how close we are. Give it a little poke. See how it does not spring right back? That means it's not quite ready yet. So we'll go ahead and give it another stretch and fold. And when you poke it like that, if it rises right back up, it means you're pretty much ready to go with your pre-shaping. So seems how it's just kind of holding on like that. I think we'll do one more stretch and fold. I've done 3 now. This will be the final one, and then we'll move on. So let's see if we can. Yeah, it's building a lot of structure. A little gluten in there. Empty. Everything's right there. So 1, twist it at a 90. 2, twist it on a 90. 3, and the last one almost won't even stretch. It's bound. So we'll let this rest one more time. We'll get the Banneton baskets out and then sprinkle it with rice flour instead of your regular flour. The rice flour is better at that point. So, yep, we'll do one more. Well, no, that's kind of it on the whole stretch and fold right there. So now we need to start preparing for proofing. And so we'll get this rolled out, cut it in half, get the Banneton baskets all seasoned up with the rice flour, and get it going on. So, all right. This is your tutorial of Michael Humphrey's fermentation station here, and making sourdough. If you were gonna put in any additives like dates or what have you, just anything that you were gonna add, olives or even pepper at this point, that would be on the last stretch and fold, which would have been right there. We're not adding anything today. We could have put in some rosemary or just anything, something, you know. A lot of people like different stuff, so you never really know. I suppose you could have put cheese, you know, cheddar cheese in there. That would have been right there. That would have been the perfect time on the last stretch and fold. You pull that out on that first segment, put your stuff in, and then stretch and fold the other 3 times and get that all incorporated. So since we're not adding anything on this one, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that that would have been the time to put it in there. So, and you know, I think I do want to put in some, you know, sun-dried tomatoes at some point. So, yeah, okay. That was the last stretch and fold. Now we'll get ready to start shaping and get it into Banneton baskets. So you have a pre-shaping and a post-shaping. So, okay then. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying this. And remember, I have a YouTube channel from when I'm making different beer or mead. So if you want to learn how to make a Bohemian Pilsner, check me out on YouTube, Michael Humphreys. Thank you. Bye.